So I have 3 pieces of wood here. I have one measuring 14 inches, the middle one measuring 20 inches, and the last one measuring 25 inches. They are all 1 inch thick, and I started by painting each of them a different color. The first one was Goldenrod from Wise Owl Paint. Then I'm doing Chocolate from Wise Owl Paint. And then the one on the end, I use the Dried Thyme from Wise Owl Paint. Now this is all a chalk synthesis paint. And you could pick any colors that would match your home decor. Next, I got these plastic ornaments from the Dollar Tree. And the top screws off. And what I did is I took my 1-hour enamel and I put it inside and I just switched it around until the entire inside was covered. Now you can probably use Mod Podge, or I've also seen people use hairspray. And I have also tried the hairspray before. And you want to just remove any extra. And then I'm taking some gold fine glitter and I put it on the inside and I just shook it around a little bit, and then the glitter will attach to the 1-hour enamel on the inside. And I did that to 3 of them. I allowed all 3 of those to dry overnight, and then I took my drill gun with the largest drill bit that I had, and I just drilled a little hole at the end of the piece of wood. And then using some hot glue, I'm just gluing the ornament to the end of the wood. And the top of the ornament has a little point, and I'm just setting that inside the hole that I drilled. And I did that to all 3. Next, I got this small piece of wood from Hobby Lobby. It was $5.99, and I grabbed it when they were having their 50% off. And I'm going to attach the 3 pieces of wood to the piece of wood here and use it as my base. So I'm just tracing where I'm going to place all 3 of them, and I'm putting the tallest in the back and the shortest in the front. And once I had an idea where I wanted them placed, I'm putting a pre-drilled hole in the center of where I marked off. And then I have a small screw that I put through the bottom of the base. I attached some hot glue just to hold it in place while I screwed the screw in. And I did this to all 3 pieces of wood. The hot glue is just to hold it so I can screw the screw to the bottom. And now we have those 3 standing on the base. I got some artificial greenery with berries from the dollar store, and I'm just taking some floral wire and wrapping it around, and I'm putting a little bit of hot glue on the end of the artificial greenery, and I'm wrapping the floral wire around the top and tying it in the back. So we're just adding some of the greenery to the wood. And this will just help hide the silver bulb part. And I repeated this step on all 3 of the candlesticks. Again, I'm just tying the floral wire to help attach the greenery to the top here. And once I had all 3 of them with some of the greenery, I took a buffalo plaid ribbon. I believe I got this one from Dollar General, but I've seen them at many other stores. And I just cut it long enough to make a knot, and then I just made a basic bow. Now this has a wired edge, so you can mess with it to get it positioned where you like it. And there you go. Now we just have this candlestick decor that you can put at an entryway or on a fireplace mantle. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can check out some other tutorials over on our YouTube or our webpage. Have a great day.